Your home's first impression starts at the main door. Discover elegant and timeless wood door designs. Teak, high durability, water-resistant, premium look. Oak, strong, rich texture, great for classic designs. Walnut, dark, elegant and modern. Mahogany, premium wood with a deep, reddish hue. CNC carving, glass panels, metal inlays, smart locks. Show close-ups of designs with smooth zoom-in effect. Showcase polished, stained, matte, and painted finishes. Compare different looks side by side. Mix of wood and metal. Smart doors with digital locks. Eco-friendly, sustainable wood doors. Sleek, minimalist doors with flush panels. Natural wood, texture with barn style or distressed wood. Glass and metal inserts. Modern aesthetics and security features. Smart lock integration. Show a door unlocking with fingerprint or keypad. Weather resistance. Doors with UV protection and waterproof coatings.